lot of people feel like the amount of time that it's taking for their claim to go through is excessive, and oftentimes it is. The state of Florida gives insurance companies a lot of leeway as far as how much time they allow a claim to go on. The official answer is 90 days. The insurance company has 90 days to pay or deny a claim. If it takes longer than that, you can actually ask for interest from the date that the claim was filed. Can claims get paid faster than that? The answer is yes. We get claims paid faster than that all the time. But if you are in, 2 weeks into your claim and you still haven't gotten paid, that is pretty normal, because it's going to take time for the insurance company to send an adjuster out. It's going to take time for the adjuster to put together that report. So it could take 2 weeks for the adjuster to come out, 2 weeks for the report to be put together, and then they're going to possibly have a follow-up at that point. Right there, you're a month into it. What we at Liberty Adjusters do is we avoid unnecessary delays. And what we mean by that is, if it's taking 3 or 4 weeks for the adjuster to get out, that's excessive. If we've gone 3 weeks without a response to an inquiry, that's considered excessive. And we're going to document those types of actions on the insurance company. If in the rare situation that maybe an attorney is necessary, or maybe we need to go to mediation or something of that nature, we're going to have all this already documented. We're going to be able to show that we did everything correctly, and that the insurance company made a lot of mistakes along the way. So if you have an insurance claim that you feel may be going too long, then you can always contact Liberty Adjusters, and we can take a look at it and let you know, maybe no, it seems to be going on track, or no, you're going to need some help with this claim.